For a while now, people have been asking us, when are you dropping a course on funeral program design? Well, we finally did it. Our full funeral program course is now available, exclusively inside the Epic Art Designs Creators Hub. This course teaches you how to design professional funeral programs and turn that skill into income. Inside, you'll learn everything you need to know about creating beautiful funeral programs with Canva, including how to set up your canvas, how to create stunning backgrounds, page order and layout for print-ready designs, how to deliver a finished product to your customer, and much more. Since it's inside the Creators Hub, you also get access to all of our useful AI apps that we use every day to create funeral programs and many other creative projects, including a business phone number, AI image generator tools, our full funeral program dropshipping catalog members-only pricing, a private community with priority support and direct feedback, future courses and trainings added regularly at no additional cost. And yes, you can cancel anytime. If you're ready to start learning and earning, enter your email below to join the waitlist. You'll be the first to know when the membership opens. Can't wait to see what you'll create.